temperature readings on the stove. Top's about 400. The hot plate's way over 5. This one's about 360. The sides are relatively cool. Running off the back of the stove. So it's about 230 degrees to the back. So you would definitely need a heat shield if you didn't have a wall prepped. There's the reading I'm getting, 250, 260 off the back of the stove at the top. So that'd be way too hot. But this wall is prepped. Side wall, it's only 99 degrees. The side wall, about 140 on the firebox side. Gets hotter as you go up. We're about 183 right there. 150 over here. 160. Well within range for the prepping of the stove. For the stove, as far as how the walls have been prepped.